Okay, so for today's demonstration, I've added file IO to NWScript. So I defined four new functions here: open file, close file, read text file, and write text file. In the future, I might do binary files, but for right now, plain text is the easiest to deal with. So yeah, open file is basically just calling fopen, and it's just returning the file handle as an integer. Close file is doing fclose, and then this is fread and fwrite. So just C standard functions that we're passing along. So here's a little example. We're going to open a file called testinput.txt with the read mode. I have it set up right here. It just reads hello world, nice and simple. We're going to grab just the hello from that, and we are going to post it to the screen at 2020, and then we're going to close the file. We are also going to create a new file. That's what the W plus means. We're a new file for writing called test output. We're going to write out the phrase test, 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 and then close that as well. So this is all set up and ready to go. If I go ahead and launch the game, and I'll go ahead and grab the debug panel as well, so we can kind of see what's going on over here. Let's load up. So yeah, patch got initialized just fine. And so we'll see several things here. So we see that the test things for the test method went through. It's opened the file input.txt, closed this file with that same handle, then opened the test output, which actually ended up getting the same handle, interestingly enough. You can see here on the screen, it printed out the hello from the start of our input. And finally, if I go back to File Explorer and grab, where'd you go? This guy. If we look at test output, you can see our test, test, test appeared in the text file. So yeah, a simple file IO. This was mostly just a proof of concept to make sure that working with, passing game objects back and forth would actually play nice. And it seems that it did. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to show you some of the command behind it here. So it's just we're making, CXO strings, popping them off the virtual machine stack, passing them directly into, existing C standard file IO functions such as fclose, fopen, fread, and so on. Yeah, so more of that came from, but this is a great proof of concept.